says the toilet's leaking from the bolts. I don't like the ones he has in there. I'm going to put different ones in there, I think. Not even tight. Oh, what the flip. Wow. Yeah, plastic shit. I don't like using plastic. That's probably why. I'll use some good brass bolts in there, should be fine. Junk. He's got it up, he's got the nut upside down. You flipping idiot. I wonder why it's not working. Wait till you see this. Look at the way he's got the nut upside down. He's got the wing nut upside down. Unbelievable. Unbelievable the way people do shit. Can't believe it. Looks like he's got it upside down. The wing nut. Look at it, he's got the wing nut upside down. He's got the wing nut upside down. Look at that. Only in America. I wonder why it wasn't working. He's got it upside down. Unbelievable. Just so you know, the wing nut should go this way. So you can tighten it, not the other way. Got a nice set of brass. Jones, Stevens. These are good ones. Want to make sure we're smooth here, which we are. This is nice and smooth. I'll put this new gasket in also when I'm done. I'm going to put a washer and a nut. Washer and a nut. They're a little longer than I like, so we're going to tighten them up with a wrench, which isn't a problem. Go inside with a screwdriver. screwdriver inside and just snug them. Don't want to go too much and crack it. You can always tighten it some more. Trust the way you have the nuts on backwards. I put some better ones on there than I had, so. Fill it and flush it so if it leaks. Not shutting off. See how close it is? No good. Be about down about an inch or so, 3/4 inch. That's good right there. You can tell if it leaks in here, you'll see it running. Looks pretty good. So we'll flush it a couple of times, but easy fix. Yeah, it's not leaking, so we're fine. Alright, she's fixed. I give her a little water bowl every so often. I give her some water. She's a licker, Mama, she's a licker. Oh man, she loves Daddy. She's a licker, she's a licker. Oh man, next level, next level. Man, she loves Daddy, y'all. Oh man, she loves Daddy. Oh man, there she does. Next level, she's next level.